Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 10 computer where we can't set up the mobile hotspot because your PC doesn't have an Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or cellular data connection. So all you have to do, if you're still on that page, would be to go ahead and open up your Wi-Fi settings or network settings down the system tray. So go ahead and left click on that. Go ahead and select if there's a Wi-Fi connection over there. You want to go ahead and select it, or Ethernet, obviously depending on what you're trying to set up. So go ahead and make sure you're connected to the correct setting here, or correct network type. And then you have a tab on the left side for mobile hotspot, and you just would connect from there. So pretty straightforward process. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.